Welcome back my friend in my new and very most important video. And you can see here I have just purchased a second hand iPhone device, and this is the iPhone 6s, but this device is locked and I don't remember this passcode. So I'm going to bypass this passcode, means I'm going to unlock this screen lock. So no matter the reason, getting logged out of your device is frustrating, but it does not have to be permanent. In today's video, we are diving into practical solution to unlock your iPhone safely and quickly. Dr.Fone Screen Unlock, a reliable tool for unlocking your iPhone screen security. So let's get started my friend. So then my friend, when your iPhone is locked, so you have to use a new software. This is Wondershare Dr.Fone, and for using this software I am going to show the desktop to how to work this application. So first of all, you can see here this is the application interface, and you can download and install this software from our description and pin comment. So download it, and after that when your this application is open, you can see here there are lots of options, and you may choose one of them like Android and iPhone to unlock. So I have this iPhone, so I am going to connect this iPhone to computer with the help of data cable. When you connect it, you can see here this application is also detect the iPhone model. Okay, after that you have to go to the first one option is toolbox, and there are lots of option here. Okay, you can use this screen unlock to unlock your iPhone model, WhatsApp transfer, iCloud manager, export all data, data recovery, quick transfer, HIEC converter, iTunes library, password manager, and toolbox. So I'm going to select the first option is toolbox, and here you can see here there are also given lots of options here like a screen lock, system repair, WhatsApp transfer, data recovery, virtual location, data eraser, phone transfer, and password manager. So I am facing the screen lock issue, so select the first option is a screen lock. When you open it, you have to select your preferred OS. Like I have Apple, so I am going to open this iOS option, so click it, and after that, and you can see here there are also given some features like unlock iOS screen, iCloud activation, lock removal, Apple ID, unlock MDM iPhone, remove SIM locked, unlock a screen time passcode, remove iTunes backup encryption. So I am going to select the first option is unlock iOS screen. After that you have to click the start button here, and you have to follow all these steps here, and you know that I have iPhone 6 model, so I am going to select this iPhone 6 and earlier option, and here you have to follow all these instructions to your smartphone. So first of all, you have to switch off your iPhone. Okay, and when your smartphone is switched off, you have to press power button plus home button on the same time. Press and hold, don't release until recovery option comes on your mobile screen. So press and hold, wait for few seconds, and got it my friend. You can see here the recovery option comes on your mobile screen, and another on the application you can see here they are given device model, system version, and you have to click a start option here, and you can see here my friend the firmware package already downloaded. So it's time to verifying firmware package, so wait to complete this process, and after that my friend the firmware are already to complete. So you have to click to unlock now my friends, and after clicking you have to wait for a few moments, and this is the confirmation message. So you have to type 6 times 0. So I am typing 1 0 2 3 4 5 6 and click unlock now, and wait for processing to unlock your iPhone devices. So wait for processing. So my friends, you can see this, your iPhone is completely unlocked. As you see the software message, lock screen has been removed completely. Okay, so wait for a few seconds to open your iPhone. And now my friend, you can easily configure your smartphone as usual. So I am going to configure this iPhone. So wait for a few seconds to activate your iPhone. You can easily create a new passcode to unlock your iPhone. So I am going to use 000 for now. And now my friend, you can see here, this iPhone is completely unlocked by using software Wondershare Dr.Fone screen unlock. So finally my friend, your iPhone is completely unlocked now by using Wondershare Dr.Fone screen unlock software. And after that, you can easily download this software by using our description and pin comment link. You can easily buy this software at minimal cost like Dr.Fone full toolkit at just only 3,999. And also you can easily purchase this Dr.Fone at a very low price at 1,299. So don't waste time, check our description and pin comment and download this software. So thanks for watching this video, stay tuned and keep watching.